What is up, everybody? Gonna do a quick video, talk about a pair of shoes that I just got in the mail. There's some Airwalks. They're the prototype 600F, and these were actually made by JCPenney, I believe last year, and they went on Black Friday sale, so they were $20 or $19.99. So I was like, all right, let's get a pair. And I've already tried them on, but for presentation's sake, this is what they basically look like in the box. Overall, for 20 bucks, I'm happy. Do they feel like an $80 quality shoe? Maybe not. But who's to say, they may hold up. I mean, the stitching's pretty good. Now the bottom of the sole is a little tricky on these. This outer part at first is pretty tacky, actually, pretty rubbery tacky. And this part at first almost felt like it was just like, it was like slick, like shh. It didn't really have a lot of grip on it. However, since I've been walking around in them and scuffing them a little, they have gotten more grippy. So when you get them out of the box, don't worry, the grip should come back. They were sticky to grip tape. So yeah, it's how wait and see, I guess. It's definitely getting a little better. Now, one thing to note is look how fat there's, like ultra padding. Like, I'm not kidding, that's probably like an inch of padding all the way down till about right there. Not a whole lot of padding in the side, really not much as far as the way of padding here. The tongue is padded pretty good, but not to the level. Let me actually show you guys just to compare. You can see, look at that compared to that. So if you're looking for ankle support, mega pillow-like, then these may be for you. Super. They feel a little bulky. Now I will say that the toe box is a little more round and it's bigger. It's definitely a more roomy, wide toe box than I'm used to. And in my opinion, this is a size 9. They run just maybe a little bit larger, maybe not even a full half size, but possibly a quarter size too big. Now the way that I combated that, here's the soles that came in it. So what I did is I have a golf shoes that finally tore up, but I always love the insoles. These are Tour 360. So this was from a size 9 shoe. So the insoles are really about the same. But so I stuck these in there and it gave me it filled up a little bit of the shoe. So a size 9 should fit. An 8.5 or a 9 really would probably work. Anyway, I'm going to try them on, let you see what they look like. Be right back. Well, here's a size comparison. Here is a size comparison with the shoe that fits true to size. So the one on the right is an Adidas Top 10 RB, and it fits my size 9 foot perfectly. And as you can see here, it's not much. Like I say, it may not even be a quarter size, but there's just a smidge. So we can call it true to size, but an 8.5, like I say, might be even